welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a pack with me as I am going on holiday for 2 weeks. I'm not going abroad, so I don't have to worry about a weight limit and stuff and bags I can take. I'm going to try and just stick to taking 2 bags just to make it easy, make it as simple as possible. But 2 weeks, I need a lot of clothes. Hoping it's going to be sunny. I'm going to pack more sunny outfits, but I'll bring jumpers and stuff, so if it's not sunny I can just wear them on top. So this is my suitcase. So it's just a red trip bag and I've used it for ages, so it's just really handy. Then the other bag I'm taking is just another red bag, but this one's from Superdry. It's really handy, it's really deep, it has 2 pockets at the front and then a pocket at the back. First up is stuff I'm going to take if I go to the gym or do any exercise. So I'm taking 2 Gymshark sports bras. So I've got a grey one and then pink, and then this one. I have got then this pair of Gymshark black leggings. I then have this Lululemon top just to put over, it's just like a tank top, and I'm going to take my football shirt just to shove on over, like if I'm going out or have wet hair. I then lastly have another sports bra. This is a Lululemon, it's just white, but it has like nice straps at the back. Okay, so I folded them up and put them in, and now on this side I think I'm gonna go through like the pyjamas I'm gonna take. So firstly is my favourite sleeping outfit, which is this oversized t-shirt from Hollister, Melville shorts. Next is another oversized t-shirt. This one is one from school from when I was going on the ski trip. That never actually happened. I'm not going to show you the front as it says my old school on, but it's just oversized and it looks good with a pair of shorts. And the shorts I think I'll wear with that are just these black shorts. Next is these Tommy Hilfiger leggings, and I'll just wear them, say it's a colder night, and I'll probably wear those bottoms with this oversized t-shirt that says Hey Mickey. I think it's just from Primark. The last set of pyjamas I'm going to take is this Hogwarts top, Harry Potter top from Primark. These grey ones, I think from Primark, the same. They're the same type / style as the black ones I showed you before, just in grey. I'm then also taking 1 pair of joggers. I'm taking just these grey Gilly Hicks ones from Hollister. I'm taking 2 pairs of denim shorts, both are from Hollister. Just this pair of denim shorts, then this pair of ripped denim shorts from Hollister again. I'm also taking 1 pair of just black shorts. These are actually Primark's activewear shorts, but they look really good, so I'm going to use them as an outfit. I'm also taking 2 pairs of skirts. So I'm taking this flowery one from Hollister and this brown one from Brandy Melville. I'm also taking a range of tops. So I'm taking this pink just crop top from Hollister. I'm then taking this more fancy top again from Hollister. I'm then taking this blue and white tank top type thing from Pull & Bear. Again, another Primark activewear piece, but I really like this top. It looks good, so I'm gonna bring that. This pink crop top from Primark. This more baggy pink top from Zara. Okay, so I've packed all my clothes into that section, and then that was the section I packed before. Okay, so lastly in my main suitcase I'm packing hoodies and jumpers. So firstly I want to take this jumper as it's my England jumper. Next I'm taking this one, which is London, it just says London, it's from Abercrombie & Fitch. So this is the denim jacket I'm bringing. It's just basic denim jacket. It was from Marks & Spencer's. Okay, so next I need to get socks. So I have a big crate of socks here. and then some unpaired ones here. So I'm just going to take these into my room and go through them. Okay, so I've organised the socks I'm going to take. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm going to take these or not to wear like around hotels. I'm then also taking a pair of tights. I'm taking 5 pairs of black Primark socks and 1 pair of white. I then have this pair of socks which just sit lower on the ankle. I then also have this pair of pink, like they're not fluffy but a lot warmer if it's like raining cold and I'm going out. And this pair of Jack Wills that sit higher on the ankle. These are good, I find, if I get blisters. So with all the socks, I have about 8 or 9 pairs, so I'll see if my mum can find any more white pairs for me, and then I'll bring them if I can find them. I'm also going to pack a bikini, but I'm just going to take this Hollister bikini set. So it's this and then the matching top. This is the bikini tie-dye top, which should just go with the bottom. I also thought I'd just show how I pack socks and stuff. I just pack them in this clear section and just shove them all in. I don't know what I was saying here, but basically I took these blue Shein jeans to wear on the travel day. And with those jeans, I'm just gonna wear this Hollister top. So it's just the same as the pink one, but in a different colour. Hi everyone, so it's now the next day and I'm gonna be packing this bag. I didn't pack it yesterday as I've needed all the bits going into it. So I'm going to pack it now. Firstly, I'm putting in 2 books, The Maze Runner, which I'm 3/4 of the way through, and then this one for If I Finish, which is Little Women. I'm then putting in my journal and a pen. I'm putting in this Jack Wills nail bag, but it has all my nail stuff in, so nail polish, overcoat, files. I'm then bringing my Bear Grylls action camera and then my HP sprocket, and I've just put them both in here. I'm putting this in. This basically just has all my jewellery in and hair bubbles. I'm then putting this in, which is just a pouch. It's very old. I think it's just Primark. It basically just has toothpaste, toothbrush, face wash, just all that type of stuff. All the stuff I've just shown you, I've put into the main section. So now I'm gonna pack one of the front pouches. And in this one, I'm gonna put my purse, a power bank and lead so I can charge my phone, a mask, then this phone adapter, which is a fan and it's Wimbledon, card games, so cards, Uno, memory, football cards, and catchphrase. I'm then putting in a pair of glasses and sunglasses. In the other front compartment, I'm basically just gonna put loads of chargers and leads, plus an extra pair of headphones, then also an extra power bank. Then lastly, in this bag, I'm taking goggles for if we go swimming, then a hairbrush, then this fan, just for if it's too hot. And lastly, in the big compartment at the back, which is padded, I'm gonna take my iPad. That is everything I am bringing on holiday with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.